Christopher, can you make your parrot go? Let's see your parrot. Can you make the parrot shake? Watch. You try. You try. You do it. You get him. Nice work. Good job. Good job. Do it again. That is what you call determination. Good job. Good job. No, you can't have mommy's phone. Get your parrot. And here's Christopher. Here's kind of a view of the living room. Getting set up. Out to the pool. Yeah, sorry the lights are on. Back two is a little tough. We're gonna have our big mirror go up over the couch again. Here's his other little bounce thing. That's the mirror waiting to go up. And sorry, into the windows is kind of tough. In the kitchen. Yay. So pretty fun family room. Already having a good time with Christopher in it. And back to the dining room.